Hey YouTube, this is Oscar, your Spokane Realtor, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Glacier Bay touchless faucet. It's a great sink, but every once in a while this button gets jammed, and I'm going to show you how to fix it to bring back that stream. Let me show you how. So to fix this, what I usually do is take some dish spray and get in there, because what happens is grease and dirt and grime get in there, and I take this knife and I really just get it in there. It's kind of hard with the camera, and with the knife, I really just get in there and wiggle it, get the gunk out. You can feel it coming up. See, now mine already popped back up. So now that I got that gunk out, I just rinse my knife, rinse the faucet itself, and now I got my stream back. So we can do the jet, and we press it, it comes back. And now you should be able to have both functions back. I hope this helps you guys. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. After that, take care, guys.